Student, good morning. Today I am going to start exercise 3.1. Question number first. Question number first is find the range of height of any 10 students of your class. So let the height of 10 students of your class be 125, 127, 132, 133, 134, 136, 138, 141, 144 and 146. So highest height of your class is 146 centimeter and lowest height of your class 125. So range is equal to highest value minus lowest value. So 146 centimeter minus 125 centimeter is equal to 21 centimeter. So range 21 centimeter. Okay. Now question number 2. Organize the following mass in class assessment in a tabular form. Students, mass is given. So you have to find which number is the highest, which number is the lowest, and what is the range of data, and last find the arithmetic mean. Now make the frequency table. Students, you know how to make the frequency distribution table. You can see highest number is 9 and lowest number is 1. So range is equal to 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. So range is 8. Now we have to find the mean of the observations. So sum of all observation is 100 and number of observation is 20. So we have to divide 100 by 20. So 100 upon 20 is equal to 5. So arithmetic mean is 5. Okay. Now question number 3. Find the mean of the first 5 whole number. So first we have to write the 5 whole number 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And now sum of the observation. So add all 4 whole numbers. 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 10 and divided by 5 because number of observation is 5. So 10 upon 5 is equal to 2. So the mean of first 5 whole number is 2. Okay. Now question number 4. A cricketer scores the following runs in 8 innings: 58, 76, 40, 35, 46, 45, 0 and 100. So students, first we have to add all the observation. Sum of all observation is 400 and total number of innings 8. So you have to divide 400 by 8. Okay. So 400 upon 8 is equal to 50. So mean score is 50. Okay. Now question number 5. Following table shows the points of each player scored in 4 games. So students, you can see the question from your book. Okay. Now we have to find the mean score of player A and B and then C. Okay. And their performance. Now you have to find the mean of first player A, find the mean of player A, then find the mean of player C. Would you divide the total points by 3 or by 4? Find the mean of player B. Who is the best performer? So mean score of player A. We have to add all 4 score made by player A in 4 games. 14 plus 16 plus 10 plus 10. So 50 upon 4 is equal to 12.5. Okay. Now mean of player C. First we have to add all 3 observation. 8 plus 11 plus 13 is equal to 32 and divided by 3. And you get 10.6. We have to divide 3 because player C did not play game 3rd. Okay. So we have to divide 32 by 3. Now player B. Mean of player B. You have to add all the observation. Sum of observation is 18 and divided by 4 is equal to 4.5 and best performer is player A. Okay. Students, you can do question number 6 and question number 7 yourself. Now question number 8. The rainfall in millimeter in a city on 7 days of certain week was recorded as follows: Monday 0.0, Tuesday 12.2, Wednesday 2.1, Thursday 0.0, Friday 20.5, Saturday 5.5 and Sunday 1.0. The student, first we have to find the range of the rainfall in the above data. So we have to subtract 0.0 from 20.5 because highest rainfall is 20.5 and lowest 0.0. So 20.5 minus 0.0 is equal to 20.5. So range is 20.5. Now we have to find the mean rainfall. So we have to add all the observation. So sum of all the observation is 41.3 and number of observation is 7. So 41.3 upon 7 is equal to 5.9. So mean rainfall is 5.9 millimeter. Okay. And last, how many days was the rainfall less than the mean rainfall? So for 5 days. Okay. Now question number 9. The height of 10 girls were measured in centimeter and the result are as follows: 135, 150, 139, 128, 151, 132, 146, 149, 143 and 141. What is the height of the tallest girl? What is the height of the shortest girl? What is the range of the data? What is the mean height of the girls? And how many girls have height more than the mean height? Student, first we have to arrange these data in ascending order. So 128, 132, 135, 139, 141, 143, 146, 149, 150 and 151. The height of the tallest girl is 151 centimeter. Height of the shortest girl is 128 centimeter. So range is equal to 151 minus 128 is equal to 23 centimeter. So range of the data is 23 centimeter. Now mean height of the girls. First we have to add all the observation. Sum of all observation is 1414 and number of observation is 10. So we have to divide 1414 by 10. So 1414 divided by 10 is equal to 141.4. And last, how many girls have height more than the mean height? The height of 5 girls are more than the mean height. Okay. In my next lecture, I will explain exercise 3.2. Okay. Have a nice day.